Adhikari, Mr. Manoj Kumar Jana and Mr. Nand Kishore.
माइक जरूरत होगा तो ठीक है, अदरवाइज माइक बैरियर क्रिएट करेगा। माइक को थोड़ा सा इस साइड से रखिए।
Respected principals, HM sir, and all other respected teachers. Today we are celebrating the National Science Day, and we all know that why we are celebrating National Science Day, to remember the great discovery of Indian physicist C.V. Raman sir about the Raman effect, and it was discovered in 1928 February 28. So to remember that great discovery of C.V. Raman sir, we are celebrating this every year National Science Day. And what is the importance of Science Day? Because we want to create awareness among the people, among everybody about the importance of science and technology in our day-to-day life. So I am Manoj Kumar Jana. I am going to demonstrate a simple science phenomena in front of you. And the experiment name is water fountain with the help of air pressure. Now I am going to make a water fountain with the help of a balloon. That is, the key concept is air pressure. So here for this experiment we need some items like, here is a empty water bottle and a straw, and to fix it we have a scissor, and already I have here already fixed the scissor, already fixed the straw with the scissor, and here I have fixed with some glue to prevent the air leakage. Now I am going to pour some colorful water inside the water bottle. Okay, so you can see that we have poured the colorful water inside the bottle, and now I am pressing here, and I am going to fix this balloon with this bottle so that we can exert some air pressure inside the bottle. So I am here fixing with my finger so that there will be no air leakage from the bottle. Sir, please. So you can see the magic right now. So we have fixed in such a manner that there will be no leakage of air from the bottle. Right now you can see the magic here, that the water are coming out from the bottle.
दूसरा क्लास किस रुपए दूसरा क्लास.
So here we have made a water fountain with the help of air pressure. So what is the concept behind it? The concept behind it that the air pressure inside the balloon is much more higher than the air pressure initially was in the bottle. So when we fixed with the bottle and we started a communication between the bottle and the balloon, it increases the air pressure inside the bottle. So it forces out the water from the bottle through the straw. So this is the normal and very simple concept of air pressure. You can see that the fountain still continuing, and instead of using one single straw, you can use 5 to 6 straws, and we can make very beautiful and very colorful water fountain in our home also. Okay, so here is the main concept, that was air pressure. So in our day-to-day life also we use many type of we use this concept, that is air pressure, in many ways. Like we normally take that breathe in, breathe out with the help of air pressure, and we using our vehicle, that tire is filled with air, and in pressure cooker also. In many areas that we are using this science concept. So the main concept of Science Day is to create scientific temper among all students and among all people, that what is the importance of science we need to understand. So I think all of you have enjoyed and learned a lot from this experiment.